Good morning! It's November 4, birthday ni Lava Bay ng aking Mi Amoy. Ayun siya. With the kids. So, we're having a breakfast here at the Coffee Project. Request ng Harper. Request mo dito, di ba? Oh, malapit na nga. Ito ang baby pa rin. Baby. Hindi, pag-pray mo siya. Go.
What's this?
Ano ba yan? Yan naman yung itsura nila. Ito ayaw ng egg. Pinipilis. Itong dalawa na kang nga.
Same lang yan sa board.
Today, while waiting for Dodd, kasi may practice pa siya bago yung birthday niya, we're gonna go swimming.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh, don't throw it, ah. Wow, ganda ng pool. Parang aquarium.
Mommy, what when you throw me there?
You want me to throw you? No. Okay. Hello, guys. Nasaan kaya si Dad? Ayan, Max Restaurant. Ito si Dad, doon sa HQ. Ayun yung HQ. Wow, sexy. Go na, jump na. Yan, para hindi ginawin. Ganon, dapat yung ginawa ni Harp. Mababaw lang pala eh. Abot pala ni Bebe. Ay, picturean ko kayo doon. Wait, doon kayo lahat. Sarin, you go there. Galing Sarin, no? Kami, Sarin. Picture ko kayo dito. Sarin, dito ka dali. Ganda. So, ayun na nga. Mag-isa tayo dito sa hotel. At pinasalon ko yung mga bata. Gusto daw nila magpa-cut at fix ng hair. So, si Rico, may meeting pa siya. May dinner kami mamaya sa White House Taguig. Ito, 100 years na heritage house to. So, ginawa nilang restaurant. Sobrang ganda dito. Favorite namin. Pang third time na namin. Isa sa owner, sila J.R. Reyes tsaka si Jen Reyes. Mga kaibigan namin yan. So, tonight, it's gonna be an intimate birthday dinner with the PBA Moto Club. Kasi gusto rin ni Jen sponsoran yung PBA Moto Club kainan. So, sinabay ko na lang sa birthday ni Rico. Nakatipid. O, di ba? Wise tayo dito. So, yon. Tapos yung dinner, simple dinner, in-invite lang namin yung few friends namin na nakakasama namin lately. Kasi, di ba, syempre, ang hirap mag-intimate. Lalo na kami na we have so many friends. Marami magtatampo if we don't invite them. So, we tried to really filter these people na special sa amin who help us, who's been with us for so many years. So, sila to. Some are quality friends. Yung iba yung mga friends namin recently lang, lately, pero mga naging close talaga namin lately, recently. So, yon. And mostly, family. Puro family, yeah. Mga family-oriented friends, mga couples. I tried to be intimate. May mga hindi pa ako na-invite. Pero wala, ganun talaga eh. Mga kaibigan ni Rico ang inuna ko. So, later, makikita nyo sila kung sino-sino sila. Oh! Turn around, turn around. Wow! Teka! Can I see your back? Wow, ganda ng hair. Ombre. Ikaw? Oh, pwede may color. Sarin! Ganda. Oh, turn around, turn around. Wala, galing pa mag-dance. Oh, ganda! Sobra! So, there you go. Ready na kami. We're just waiting for the birthday boy and Kuya Tash. This is where we lived before, Harp, when you were still a baby. Acacia Estates. That's it. And you're big na. You're 7 na. That was 5 years ago when we lived there. We lived in Mahogany Place 3. Acacia Estates, Taguig. Ang dami nang nabago dito, grabe. Hello mga ka-forever, papunta na kami sa birthday ni Daddy, birthday dinner at White House Taguig. So, nandun sila sa kabilang car. Nauna kami para makapag entertain na tayo ng mga guests natin. Nandun na yung iba. Okay, so, see ya!
The birthday boy.
The birthday boy. Oh my gosh, ang ganda dito. White House Taguig Teppanyaki room. Come on. White House Taguig. Ilaw mga toys. Oh my goodness, look at the fish. It's so big. Matutuwa si Sarine dyan. Let's go, let's go. Hello. Oh, ang ganda naman pala dito. Newly renovated. I love this. Ito, KG. Natulog na totoo. Seryoso natulog.
Grabe, buong kasi madam.
Siyempre. Birthday ng asawa. Isa lang ang asawa. Oh, ganda. Isa mo. Habang walang tao, Victorian tayo.
Mommy, it's still here.
Teka, salubungin mo sila dad para makita mo yung reaction.
Let's go see the birthday boy.
O, diba? Looks can be deceiving. Looks can be deceiving. Ang sikip sa labas, pero pagpasok mo, nasa Japan ka na. Ganon. Ganon ang atake. Best friend ko maganda. Oh. Ay, ang Charlie, so? The one who produced PBA Moto Club. PBA Moto. I miss you! Where's Amber?
She's at work.
Oh. PBA Moto Club. My checky is here.
Yeah.
And then, ganda. Ano ba yan? Diyosa? Wow. It's aligners. Don't touch it. Binabag-grade na naman po ako ni Cheska Kramer. Yay! My favorite couple! We're gonna... Oh, hi! We can start the food.
Dapat ako sa mga paper ah. Sabihin mo, bakit?
Sana sinama mo si Kate. Papi! The owner! The owner. Gusto mo yung the owner? Hi! Please. OMG, ang tangkad! Papa JR.
Ganda ng buhok.
Guys, thank you. Guys, may tip dyan. Bala na kayo. Hati-hati kayo dyan. Bye guys. Thank you so much. We had fun. You're the best. Oy, bigyan mo sila tip. Charot.
Dapat much stronger para hindi na umulit.
Thank you, Dad, for staying. Love ya. Love you guys. Bye guys. Hey. Bye, Katie. Bye, guys.